In this video, we will guide you through how to clip on your PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. For this tutorial, we will be using OBS Studio. So, the first thing that we need to do is install OBS Studio. So just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm using Google Chrome, and then just go ahead and search for OBS and hit enter. Now just go to the official website for OBS Studio, and here select your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows, so I'll just select Windows. And now the setup exe file will be downloading automatically. So now just wait for it to complete. Once downloaded, just go to your file explorer and go to the downloads folder, and then just double click on your OBS application to run the setup wizard, and just follow the setup steps. It is pretty simple. And once that you have finished installing OBS Studio, so just go ahead and open your OBS Studio. So basically OBS Studio has a built-in replay buffer feature that lets you save your gameplay after it happens, making it one of the best options for recording highlights without recording your entire game session. I will show you how to set it up from start to finish. So after opening the OBS Studio, just go ahead and go to settings at the bottom right, and then here just go ahead and go to the output section. If you are already using the OBS for recording, you can keep your existing recording settings because the replay buffer will use the same recording encoder, quality and save location as your normal recording. If you have not configured OBS yet, just go ahead and set the output mode to advanced, just like so. So before we set up a replay buffer, just go ahead and go to your video tab, and I recommend setting your base canvas resolution and output resolution to 1920 by 1080, and then set the common FPS value to 30 or 60 FPS. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go with 60 FPS as I want the gameplay to be much smoother. This setting provides smooth gameplay clips while keeping performance reasonable for most PCs. Now return to the output tab and just go ahead and go to replay buffer, and here just go ahead and toggle on enable replay buffer. So set your maximum replay time to however long you want your saved clips to be. For example, let's say I want my saved clips to be around 60 seconds. So I'll just go ahead and type 60. So here you will also see maximum memory options. So if you are not sure how to do that, just go ahead and go to recording, and here under encoder settings, just go ahead and click on the drop down and set it to constant QP. If you do this, you don't need to change any of the settings in the replay buffer maximum memory because OBS automatically manages memory efficiently. If you are using another recording method or you increase the replay length significantly, you may want to allocate more memory to ensure longer clips are stored properly. After that, let's go ahead and click on apply. Now before using replay buffer, it's a good idea to verify where your clips will be saved. Go to output, and here just go to the recording tab, and here you will see the recording path. This is the folder where every replay clip will be automatically saved, so you can change it if you rather save clips somewhere else. Next, we will create a hotkey for saving clips. At the left hand side, you will see a hotkey tab. Just go ahead and click on it, and now here just scroll down and you will see option for replay buffer. So basically this is the one that saves the replay. So here you can set a simple hotkey like Ctrl and S on your keyboard, and after that click on apply and then click on OK. And now here you can just go ahead and toggle on start replay buffer, just like so. And now whenever you press Ctrl and S key on your keyboard, you will see replay buffer will be saved to your path. Now make sure to toggle on start replay buffer before you press the hotkey, and leave the OBS running in the background while you play your game. And whenever something happens that you want to save, simply press your replay hotkey and OBS will instantly save the last portion of the gameplay based on the replay length that you configured earlier without recording the entire session. And that's it. That's how you clip on your PC using OBS Studio. Once everything is configured, all you need to do is keep OBS running in the background and press your replay hotkey whenever something worth saving happens.